quick recipe, and this is very good, yummy chili recipe. Yeah, so we are gonna be making Junglee Mutton curry. So first thing you need is some ghee, and then you'll add a little bit coriander seeds, a little bit garlic, cutted and mashed. It's already cut, so you have to take like that. Then add some salt and some of this chili. Always add turmeric to these and chili powder. Then you chili powder. It's chili powder only. So, and last but not least, add the mutton. Turn on the motor, but there. Now let's open the pan. Let it heat. Okay, that's good. Now, so have to heat it in medium. So now it's getting heated. It takes us 8 ingredients. Now first thing we're gonna add is some ghee. We need the whole thing. So we are gonna pour it in. That's nice. Okay. Yeah, it's good. And more of that. Yeah. Good. Now let's mix it up. The ghee is nice and heated up. Now we have to mix it nicely. And now we're going to add this. All the mutton now smells so good. Okay, now let's mix it up. Mutton is getting cooked. You add some chili. Okay, that's it. More. And you have to add these. There for the whole thing. Good. Now that it's all done, we're gonna add some of these, right? So let's add this coriander, chili, and then we're gonna add some turmeric in there. You need the whole turmeric pack. Have to finish everything you had. That's for this recipe. Now add the garlic. Add the whole crushed garlic. That's good. Now let's add some more. Okay, and then next you add this chili. Nice and good. Last one is salt. Wow, that was so much salt. Let's mix it up. The lid down, close it, and then use a spoon and put the lid. Let it heat. Leave it for 45 minutes. Then you can eat it nicely with any type of food. Then it's gonna be ready, and then you can taste it. It's always gonna be the best recipe you'll ever have. And so quick. It's done. Now we're gonna take off the lid. It's cooking nice. Oh my god, that's so good. And now we have to cook chapati. Let's try it. It's awesome with chapati. Okay, let's take this piece. Let's take this out. That's good. Easy recipe. Always try it. Every time. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's good. Wow, so good. And it's good. We'll just take it out. We never had this before. This is good. Just try the recipe on. It's good. So good. It's awesome. I can't stop.